What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about
bird blood from Sauce Leopard. Bird blood from Sauce Leopard.
Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yes.
And in keeping with tradition, doing another cranberry sauce.
Doing another cranberry sauce.
Is this year 2 or year 3 of cranberry sauces for Thanksgiving reviews?
This is 3.
3. Yeah.
We did what was the first one? The very first one we did was the Angry Goat.
Yes. Yep.
It was just cranberry something.
Yeah, and then last year we did the
Murph's,
but
Wildfire Whiskey.
Yep, Wildfire Whiskey. So, all right.
And now we got, which was Denver, and we got another Denver. Sauce Leopard, which this actually came out November of last year.
But so we've been sitting on it for a while.
We already had the Murph's one planned out, so yeah, I've had this for a year.
So, all right. Well, at least it's festive. Guys, the ingredient list on this one is cranberries, distilled vinegar, blueberries, habanero peppers, cranberry juice, lemon juice, sugar, orange juice, salt, dried orange peel, and spices. Sounds festive.
Yeah.
So,
who needs cranberry sauce when you can just have cranberry hot sauce?
Yeah. I don't even like the cranberry sauce normally, so
yeah, true.
But
another big shout out to Sean Goodwin, although I mean he's hooked us up a lot. But I did buy this one because I thought it was gonna run out and never come back around. But he re-released it again this year, so could have just bought it this year, but
so it's still relevant. It's still relevant. Not a discontinued.
You can buy this still.
All right, cool. Well, let's You can smell the cranberry and maybe that orange peel.
It might be even better since it's sat in my house for a year.
Oh jeez,
it's aged. That's how aged it is.
Yeah, it's.
I shook it up like a bunch this morning, but probably not enough,
or too much,
yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna. There you go.
Oh yeah,
she was backed up there. Maybe having technical difficulties with this sauce.
Well, probably my fault.
Come on, get out of there.
A year sitting in my kitchen, you know? What can you do? He offered to give me one when he was here, and whenever that show was.
Oh yeah, down at Mutual.
And I was like, well, I have one already, but so I don't need one.
All right,
but I probably should have taken it from him.
She's thick.
All right, just like good cranberry sauce.
Cheers. Whoa. The mouthfeel on that's kind of crazy. It's like I guess it is kind of like a cranberry sauce. It's almost like a really fine jelly texture.
Yeah, it's like he tried to mimic that. He did pretty well.
Yeah, but man, I can feel that habanero.
It's got some burn too.
A little bit of heat.
Yeah.
Little tingle on the top of the tongue. Yeah, you definitely get the cranberries. And man, I feel like I can get the orange and the blueberries out of that too.
Yeah, I can taste all of it. I like that.
So,
it's good.
Let's go back in and figure out what we're gonna rate this out of 10 heat wise.
This would be really good on turkey, but I don't eat turkey for Thanksgiving, so maybe I'll eat it on stuffing. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. What would you put this on if it wasn't Thanksgiving? I feel like this might even go well.
I mean,
I feel like maybe like some chicken and waffles, or something like that,
or crepes, or
there you go,
something breakfasty like that, French toast. You know.
Yeah. All right. Cheers. Whoa, I feel like that one hit even sweeter.
It did.
I got more fruit the further we're getting into this bottle here.
I like that. It's good.
Yeah.
Sauce Leopard's always pretty solid though.
For sure. Heat-wise, what are you feeling on this? I'm kind of thinking this is maybe like a 4 or 5?
Yeah.
Somewhere in there?
4.5.
4.5.
Go 4
on your
4.5.
wing challenge. So wing number 9 if you're gonna do 20 wings.
Yes. Let's say that.
So, I don't know. You got anything else to add on this one?
No, just shout out to Denver Sauce Leopard, keeping it real. He's got more sauces coming out in the next month, so yeah.
Sweet. Well, guys, thanks again for checking out the review. Happy Thanksgiving, and comment down below. Let us know if you've tried this sauce and what you think of it. Thanks for checking it out.
Till next time, gobble gobble.